Hi friends, based on your request, I have come up with an intuitive tarot reading. This intuitive reading online, I am doing it for the first time. The reason for us to do this reading today is we are soon coming in the month of July. The new month is going to begin and we need to see what the tarot is guiding us. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer and a therapist. So before we do the reading, what are these tarot cards? Now tarot cards are the tools to understand our intuition. We are all born with these intuitive powers, but most of us does not know or are not comfortable tapping into their own inner voice. They cannot trust that inner voice. So this tarot acts as a tool to understand the intuition. For the month of July, I am going to pull out 7 cards. Now 7 cards would indicate 7 areas of your life. So each card would represent as 7 chakras. The 7 cards as 7 chakras. So we will begin with the root chakra, the sacral chakra, solar plexus and going up till the crown chakra. Now what is a root chakra? Root chakra indicates our safety and security. So the card reading would help us about what is happening in terms of safety and security. Tarot cards are not into predictions. We are just analyzing upon our intuition what best the guidance comes to us and how to act based upon the guidance. So let me shuffle the card with an intention to identify what's happening for all of us in the month of July. More guidances on the month of July. So after the cards are shuffled with the intention, we would be laying down the cards, spreading the cards, and I'll pull out each card with my left hand. Now left hand is a non-dominating hand which is indicating the messages, the guidance coming from the intuition. So I pull out one card for the root chakra, followed by the sacral chakra, the solar chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, the third eye chakra, and last the crown chakra. Now let's see what the root chakra has to indicate or what the root chakra guides us. The root chakra is the death card. Most of the readers are scared pulling out this card or explaining this card. To begin with, death does not mean physical death. Here when the root chakra is talking about the death card, that means the pandemic is going to come to an end very soon. So all our fears about safety and security is going to end soon, because after every dark night there is a new beginning which is happening. So we did not need to worry seeing the death card. It's going to be a new beginning, a new month, a new life will start beginning with the right attitude. Now let's see what the sacral card indicates. Sacral chakra is for our creativity. So the sacral card chakra, it says 8 of Wands. So the business which has been stopped for a while because of the pandemic, it's going to start flowing and flowing with ease. Money would start coming in, the businesses would start picking up. As the root card said, there's going to be an end of this pandemic. Soon the businesses is going to just flow with ease, the way it used to in the past. Now let's see what the solar plexus card indicates. Solar plexus is the card for our emotions. So emotionally, how are we going to be in the month of July? It's the King of Wands. So again, wand indicating business growth. So solar plexus, so emotionally also we are going to be stable in our business. We will be looking up to our business. The business will restart. But yes, the solar plexus says emotionally there will be a little negativity, like the way you see lizard in the card, the small lizard in front of the king. Very unlikely. So yes, when you start your business, there will be some negativity coming in terms of your emotions, that you lost this 3 months, what all happened. So rather than looking at what you have lost, start focusing as if it's a new beginning, a new life, how you can take this business to a better stage. Now coming to the heart chakra, and let's see what the card says. The heart chakra says 7 of Swords. You are trying to pull out all the resources, whatever you can. You are operating out of compassion, you're trying to pull out all the resources. So you're collecting all the thoughts. It could be a positive thoughts, it could be a negative thought, because sword indicates thought. So you're collecting the thoughts. Now when you're collecting the thoughts, you need to be very careful. Release the negative thought. Hold on to positive thought. Hold on to hope. Let go of your fear in order to be successful in the month of July. Coming to the throat chakra, it's a beautiful card. It's a card of Ace of Cup. So it says it's overflowing. You are so overjoyed with the coming month that things are going to flow beautiful in your life. You will be able to express your need, whether you are a boss or whether you are working for a company. Throat chakra says open up your communication, let the communication flow. Whatever is disturbing you, do not hold back. If you want to share something to your boss, or if the boss wants to share some ideas to the workers, you can do so easily and create a win-win situation in your life. Coming to the third eye chakra, the third eye chakra is a 3 of Cup, a beautiful card. Now the third eye is indicating more towards dreams, implementations, the vision what you get in your intuition. So here it says that whatever you have dreamt of, it will start manifesting in your life. So act upon your dream. There's a time for you to celebrate your fulfillment. There's a time for you to celebrate your achievements, and which is coming up very soon in the month of July. And coming to the crown chakra, the ultimate chakra in our physical body, which is opening up for guidances, wisdom from the universal energy. And this card, beautiful, I'm so happy. This is the Sun card, which says that after every dark night, there is a new sun which is rising up. The new beginning is happening. So let go of your fear. Be like child, be ready. Like every year when the children are ready to go to school, how excited they are with the new uniform, with the new books, with the new stationery. Similarly, now when the life is going to open up for all of us, we need to be like a child, innocent, full of enthusiasm, full of vigor, full of joy, and ready to march in the month of July. Hope this has really helped you. This was the first time I've created this online reading for all of you on your request. If you feel this has helped you in any way, do leave a comment below. Consider giving a thumbs up and also share it with your family and friends so together we can make a difference. Light and fragrance to all of you.